Noella Marcano Studios. LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going! Some sounds are short, which is Wombi's diarrhea sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Omarashi's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, like Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Oh, hi. It's me, Untold Loneliness Oswald, or you can call me Suicide Oswald if you want. I am going to test the farting sound effect from Tisha Stacy. It's from a video called, Ooh. I think my poop is stuck, and it won't come out. Am I constipated or something? Oh, hold on. I need to text my new girlfriend, Yuki, to see what's going on. Oh, she wants to have a romantic date with me, so it's from a video called, Mil desculpas por ficar chamadas sem postar videos estamos quase 200 𝚝𝚡𝚊𝚌𝚢. The lofi music will be removed at the beginning and end. This sound effect is used when I need to tighten my tummy and clench my butt, and I also need to push a little bit so it can come out. Why is it not coming out? Ooh. I think I'm a little bit constipated. Oh, and besides, I still need to pee before I use my tummy muscles. So much better. Not only that, but the sound effect starts at 0:12 and ends at 1:04, making it 52 seconds in total. Ooh, ow, erg, and speaking of 52 seconds, I might need to pass gas for, 52 seconds so I can poop. It came out. And my constipation is gone. I feel so much better after farting for 52 seconds and as well as pooping. So, I might see you in a few episodes for now.